What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to switch to dark mode on Discord. Now I'm on the Discord mobile app, but this works for Discord desktop as well. It is actually the same exact process you're going to do, just a little bit of a different layout. So obviously you're just going to open up your Discord app to start this out. And once you're in your Discord app here, you're just going to hit your profile picture in the bottom right hand corner. And then you're just going to scroll down just a little bit from here. And then right under the category app settings, it is the second one down. Once you do a little bit of scrolling, you could see an option for appearance. And then right at the top there under theme, there is an option for the light and dark theme. And then right once you hit dark theme, it's not even going to give you an option to change it back. It's just going to take you straight to the Discord homepage with a new dark green. And now I'm going to go back to appearance just to show you guys this menu a little bit more in detail. You could select light or dark, as well as just put it on automatic. If you have set it up in your settings already for all apps to automatically be on dark mode, then it should automatically change over. But if you haven't already, you can manually do that and change it to light and dark back and forth if you'd like. That's all there is to it though for Discord dark mode. If you were confused or you had any questions on how it worked, comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.